YouTube, AJ here. In this video, I will be talking about how to get unlimited ringtones for free. This actually works. It actually sends it to your iPhone, where you can actually pick. As you see, I have all these, and you can get a lot more. So you pretty much what you want to do is go to his video, and you don't need a source for this. It's made by Big Boss. So you can go this way and go to Big Boss and then type it and go to no, I'll just search it up and just type in on the limb tones, just like that. If you do, I don't think it'll work if you just, oh yeah, it will. And it's this one right here. Don't get confused with like this one. Oops. This one. I'm not sure if that one works, but they look almost the same. But this one is the one I currently have, and it's just the one by Big Boss. As you see, it's just right there and down there. Well, not by Big Boss. Beta online apps. Oops. So let's see. I'll just go here and then you go to right here. You could just do this and then just go to the one. So the source is Beta Unlim Apps. So you just tap on it, go to all packages, scroll down to the use, and then it's this one. It says Unlim Tones. You just tap on it, tap on the top right where it says install again, and then you'll be good to go. Once it's installed, you should see the icon on your home screen. So you just tap on it and just go to like top ringtones, and you can just pick from all these. You can also make your own ringtone and browser ones. So you can like make one, restore ringtones, top SMS ringtones and all that. So I'm just gonna go here and just do this one, and then on the top you'll see add to ringtones. So you just tap add to ringtones, and you should see like that flips, and then send to iPhone, and then this is just an ad, then X out of that, and then go into your settings. So settings, and then go down to sounds, and then you should like see the ringtone right there. So I'll do one more for an example. So I'll just do top ringtones. Let's just do this one. Add to ringtones, and then it should be flipping, and then go to your settings again, and then you should see it. One sec. You might need to swipe up and like close that tab, and then you go to sounds, ringtones, and the one I just got is, and there you go. You can get all these ringtones absolutely free. It's not like the ones where you have to go on the computer and do it. I just saw, and you can do like all these. So, and you can also type in one like, and into your settings, ringtones. Mine is, so those are, yep, that's how you get unlimited ringtones for free. Thank you guys for watching so much, and I will see you in my next video. Alright, peace.